Yo, what up, my fellow entrepreneur? My name is Brad Martineau, and I'm the CEO at SixthDivision, also the co-founder at a software company called Plus This, as well as another one called Slottable. And I don't know if you heard, but it's kind of cool. Keap just announced that they are bringing back their annual conference, except it's different, actually totally different, than what they've done in the past. So Keap, if you're not familiar with it, is a marketing automation, small business CRM platform. Makes it easier to keep track of your leads, your prospects, and your clients. And up until now, every year they've done a user conference specifically focused on client journey, automation, all that sort of stuff, and specifically and exclusively designed for Keap users. However, this year, that is no longer the case. So for the first time, it's been rebranded. It's now called the Let's Grow Summit, and it's designed for any entrepreneur who is looking to grow. So the topics that are going to be covered have expanded. It's no longer exclusive to Keap clients, Keap customers. It is for entrepreneurs in general. And when I found out about it, I was really excited, and also really excited because they asked me to speak, and actually get to speak 2 times. So I think you should come join us. Let me tell you what I'm going to talk about within this context of Let's Grow. So you should definitely check out the site, check out the details and the agenda of what they're going to be covering. And then I'm going to do 2 conversations about what I believe are the 2 most important assets for entrepreneurs in their businesses. So the first one, and our world at SixthDivision revolves around client journeys, making them automatic. And I believe that the client journey is indeed the most important asset in the business because it's the process by which you get leads, turn them into clients, make them happy, and make them want to stick around. And so we're going to do a session where we talk about why is it that in the midst of all of the ideas that are out there and all of the best practices from all of the gurus, why is it that with all of that at our fingertips, we still struggle to create the client journey that we want in our business? So in short, like how can we navigate through all those ideas and all the different tools, and how can we get better results out of the ideas and the strategies and the software that we're trying to use for our funnels and for our client journey? So what you walk away with out of that one is a very practical, non-techy, non-nerdy, there might be some tech and some nerd in there, but you don't have to be a tech person or a nerd to get the value out of it, but a simple framework and process by which you can improve the results that you're getting out of your software and all of your strategies in your funnels and your client journey. So that's one piece we're going to talk about. And then because the scope of this conference has expanded, which is what I'm really excited about, I get another chance to speak, but this is going to be about leadership. And it's going to be about the next thing that I think is one of the most important things for entrepreneurs, which is what goes on in between our ears and in our head and in our brain as we try to lead our organizations and as we accomplish successes and as we endure setbacks and failure. And so I want to share a little bit of my story and then talk about some of the principles that I've learned. And the basic is my story is that I went from negative amounts in my personal and business accounts to building a multiple 7-figure agency and a multiple 7-figure software company to having complete turnover in those companies as far as personnel and team goes, because I hadn't learned some lessons about leadership, to building it back up again, to doing it again. And so lots of lessons that I've learned about how to stay level-headed, how to stay confident, how to stay excited, how to stay locked and dialed in throughout all that. So I got a couple of, again, very simple frameworks that I want to leave you with that I believe will be very impactful. They were for me and they have been for other people that I've shared them with, about how you can, in the midst of success and or failure and the ups and downs of businesses, how you can be rock solid as a leader, both for yourself and for your team and your company. And naturally, those principles will also spill down into your family, your friends, and in your community as well. So again, it's the Let's Grow Summit. It's by Keap. It's going to be in November. You can check out the link to go to the site, check out all the details. We're talking about 2 things, client journey and leadership. I mean, I will be, and then other people will be talking about all the other aspects of of growing a business and what it actually takes. You'll get to rub shoulders with a bunch of really, really cool entrepreneurs. So hopefully I will see you there at the conference. I got nothing else. That's it. So come join us. I look forward to seeing you in the sessions. It'll be an amazing conference. It's going to be really, really exciting, really cool. And I'm going to stop talking now and let you go check out the details so you can register and get a ticket. I think somewhere in here too, we've got like a bonus or a discount or something for you to come. So check that out, and I'll see you in Phoenix at the Let's Grow Summit in November. All right, peace.